Hey everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back. Welcome back to LGS. So today, something came in the mail in this white little envelope, and I had no idea what it was. I had no idea. I'm like, what is this? I have no idea. And I'm looking at the address, and it says it's from Mississauga. And it's like around my work, and I'm still going, don't know what it is. When I opened it, my naughty knickers came today. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is an underwear, a panty, a stepping subscription box. So it's $3.99 for one pair of underwear. I got 3. I think you can get more than that as well, or 3 at a time. And you can get like a thong, a thong subscription, a really naughty one, and then a nice and naughty, I think. Or just nice or something. Anyway, I got like the nice and naughty. I think that's what it's called. I looked, but I can't remember now. Anyways, shipping to Canada and the US is $1, and it's $3.99 for one pair. So for the 3 of these and shipping, taxes and everything, I paid $12. I think it was $12 and change. So yeah, here we go. It gives you a size chart. So I got like medium because, honey, I'm not a small, and I don't even know if this medium is going to fit my ass either, you know. But these are the first ones. Oh, my God, they're so cute. I don't know if they're going to fit me. But they might fit me. They stretch, you know. But isn't that cute? And, you know, I'm telling you, it is freaking expensive to go and buy a pair of Stabines lately. I'm telling you. You're paying like $10 for a pair of panties. Honest to goodness, it ain't cheap no more, just like a bra. And I know they have socks and they have bras as well. The bras are really nice. I was looking at them. I just don't think that they're going to hold up my boobs. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't think they're going to do that for my little tiny boobies. But, yeah, so these are the next ones. Ooh, see? I like these. So I could, like I said, you can get thongs, or you can get... these ones I think were nice, called the nice and naughty or something. And then there's another one, which I think are maybe a little bit more sexier, with thongs and maybe regular pairs of underwear combined. I like these. These are pretty. You know, I like comfort. I mean, don't get me wrong, I wear thongs every now and then. You know, I used to wear them when I was younger, but honey, now I just want my butt to be covered, you know. So, every now and then, I guess it all depends on what I'm wearing, if it calls for a thong, but I like, ooh, and these are the other ones. They are so pretty. Not bad, eh? So this is so this lace part is the back, and that's the front. I like these. They're very nice material. They're not cheap material, and that's what I was worried about, that it was going to be a cheap material, but they're not. Not cheap material, believe me. I tell you if they were, and they're not. I mean, this is really good, like strong material. These are the other ones, so not bad, right? I'm going to leave their link down below. Again, it's US and Canada, $1 for shipping, $3.99 Canadian for one pair, so it's probably cheaper in the US. But aren't they sweet? I mean, these are kind of like sexy, you know, sexy and innocent kind of. But I like them. So there you go. I got some new underwear, people. I got some new Steppings. It cost me $12 for 3 pairs of new Steppings. I'm so happy. All right. I will leave my link down below. And I think you can subscribe monthly or every other month. You can cancel whenever you want. You know, I believe you can order like 1 pair if you want to. But I did 3. Because I think the more you order, maybe the cheaper the shipping. But shipping is really only like $1 anyway. So, seriously, you can't go wrong with 3 pairs of Steppings for $12. And they're good quality, which I'm happy. They're really good. They're kind of cute and pretty and, you know, a little bit sexy, but not overly sexy. But, you know, I guess it all depends, right? You know, you can go around with, what is that? A potato burlap on. If your husband thinks you're sexy, or your girlfriend, or whoever, then you're sexy. And if you think you're sexy in whatever you're wearing, then you're sexy. You know, it all really depends on what you think. And I'm thinking I'm going to be thinking I'm sexy in these, and I can't wait to try them on. and to wear them. So, yep, that's it, everyone. Knotty Knickers is what it's called. I will leave my link down below. This is a good subscription box. I like this. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and hit that bell. That way, you'll be notified whenever I make a new video. And don't forget, everyone, to send in your pictures and your postcards. If you want more followers on all of your social media accounts, if you do, please remember to post in your picture or your postcard all of your social media handles so I can be sure to say it when I get your picture and your card, so I can talk about it on my next video, and leave all of the information in my description box down below. And when you do send in a picture and a postcard, you get to pick a goodie from my goodie bag, which is usually skincare or makeup. That's it, everyone. Have a great day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you so much.